Hey everybody, it's the Web Doc, and it is Sunday. We just watched the Ravens lose, which was kind of disappointing. But we're down back in the basement, got a little work done. You can see, made a lot of progress last couple nights. This is where the wine rack is going to be. You can see how the wine bottle's going to be in there, and I kind of put the pieces in there. Last night I'll have a nice solid back. I always like to show people that it's nice and level. So we've got the cross beam, comes across here, and we started framing out the front of the bar, which we're working on. As we walk back here, you can see we've got the opening here where the pocket door is going to slide into. So the pocket door will go there. There's the head rail, which will attach the barn doors to. We got the closet doors in. So we got the closet doors in. We have the wall in. That section of wall there is going to be above where the ceiling is, and I did that for ventilation purposes because behind these doors, for those of you who haven't been watching, this is where the dual hot water heaters are, and I want to make sure I had ventilation because there will be a drop ceiling in here, so it'll have a little bit of air flow up in there just in case it's needed. That is where the shelves are going to be. We've got that finished out. There'll be the what is it called, Andy?
Wainscoting.
The wainscoting piece of wood right here to cover up this area. This area has got to be accessible because we've got the drains, we've got the gas, and we've got the other sewage drains, so that has to be accessible. So time to time that may have to come off. And then you kind of see we've got that one extra door, but we made a lot of progress this weekend. This room is coming along pretty nicely. We have this is going to be a closet. We're still going to finish this closet out. We'll have a light in here, but a lot of progress. And I'm not too worried about these edges because these edges right here are going to be covered with trim, so those won't be visible. And you can see we've got all of the drywall pretty much put up in here. That darker wood is where it's going to frame out because we have to frame out around the air ducts. So the ceiling will be under that area there. But you can see we're making a lot of progress. Here's a look from this room. This room is going to be, so standing back here in this room, there'll be two large sliding pocket doors with glass. So there'll be glass pocket doors. So this room will be kind of open, visible into the bar and living area. With the Web Doc signing out.